Today, a highly productive workforce is possible through the rapid settlement of issues. The traditional methods for sharing professional expertise are inefficient and time-consuming. We offer a novel and effective approach for resolving problems conveniently and rapidly. KoalaAR is an augmented reality-based remote assistant that enables your team to cooperate in real time and resolve issues quickly, even if they are in different locations. The remote expert can monitor, diagnose, and aid in the solution of the problem. The remote expert can add symbols and descriptions on the real-time video stream to provide clear guidance for the field technician to intervene with the problem. Thus, the problem is settled rapidly, efficiently, and without travel expenses. With KoalaAR, multiple experts can be connected to the system at the same time. Without interrupting visual and audio communication, the expert can stop the video stream, provide guidance, and return to real-time mode at any time. The drawn explanations of the expert remain in their initial locations even when you move, and therefore facilitate the simplification of multi-step instructions. As an easy-to-use and powerful support tool, KoalaAR can solve the technical problems encountered in all areas of your life rapidly and effectively. Apply the right solution at your first attempt with KoalaAR.